Hi all, it's Bevs. In this video, we will learn how to cook tapioca pearls in just few easy steps. I use 1 cup dried tapioca pearls. This will yield approximately 2 and 1/2 cups when cooked. Bring 6 cups water to a boil in a deep pot. You must pre-boil the water before adding the tapioca. Once the water is at a rolling boil, add the tapioca. Bring to a boil again. Cook for 10 minutes while stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat, keep the pot covered, and allow to sit for another 10 minutes. Drain the tapioca pearls and rinse under cold water. If the pearls still have opaque white centers, just like what you see in this video, repeat step 1 and step 2 until all the tapioca balls are translucent. Boil again the tapioca pearls for another 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Turn off the heat and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Once the tapioca pearls are cooked, drain and rinse under cold water one more time. Finally, the tapioca pearls are well cooked as they are completely translucent without any opaque white center. Note, you may dissolve 3 tablespoons sugar into 1 cup warm water, then put the pearls into the sugar water to prevent them from sticking together. Cooked tapioca pearls lose their chewiness rather quickly, so it's best to use them within 1 to 2 days. Cook that sago now, and thank you for watching!